Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the new chapter squares and square root and cube root. Today we are learn about square and square root. What is mean by square? Multiplying itself any number we get the value. That is called the square. Okay. When we multiply a number by itself, any kind of number. For example, 1 multiplicated itself means that 1 multiplicated by again 1. Okay. That is itself. Okay. So we multiply a number by itself. We say that number, okay, has been squared. Squared nu solla. And then the product is, we will write 1 into 1. 1 into 1 means the product of the number. So the product is called the square of the number. Square of that number. Okay. See, for example, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. It can written in the powers. How do you write in powers? Already you know that powers and exponent. We had learned in the 7th standard. Okay, so 2 power of 2. What is meant by 2 power of 2 or 2 raised to the power of 2? 2 multiplicated itself at twice a times. That is the meaning. Okay, and see the table below gives the squares of the first 30 natural numbers. See, 1 square, what we get? 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. You are known well up to 20, is it? So, here write more than 10 from the 20 numbers. So, 21 square is 441 and 22 square is equal to 484 and 23 square 529 up to 30 square. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called the square of the numbers, square of the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all called the square of the numbers. Here 1, 4, 9, 16, 24, 36, these are all called the natural numbers, squares of the natural numbers. In the square udeya natural numbers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, these are all called the squares, square of the numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16, these are all called the natural numbers, Okay, I hope you all understand the concept of square. Okay, so what is the meaning of square? When we multiply a number by itself, we say that the number has been squared and the product is called the square of that number. I hope you all understand the concept of square. Okay. Now see the next concept, the properties of squares numbers. Okay. The first one, a natural number that has 2, 3, 7 or 8 at the ones place. So ones place value, which are the numbers 2, 3, 7, 8 is never a perfect square. It's never a perfect square. For example, 12, it's not a perfect square. 23, so one's place is 3, so it's not a perfect square. 47, here also the one's place value is 7. So which are the numbers? 2, 3, 7, 8. So for example, 47, okay, and then 68. So end with 8. So this also here written, okay, 68. These are not a perfect square or not a perfect square. Why? What are the reason? Which are the numbers place? One's place is never perfect. 2, 3, 7 or 8. Okay, these numbers present in the ones place, it's never a perfect square. Never a perfect square. Okay, this is all the example for not a perfect squares. Second one of the property, a natural number having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Which are the numbers are in exceeding in the not perfect, remaining all are the numbers in the ones place is perfect squares. Okay, at the ones place, these are present in the ones place, may or may not be a perfect square. What's meaning of may or may not? சில இது இருக்கும், சில இது இல்லாமல் இருக்கலாம். See the example now. Okay, so 100 is a perfect square. Which number square? We get the value of 100. 10 square, is it? 10 square we get the value of 100. 121 means 11 square. 144 means 12 square. Okay, these are all the perfect square. Remainder will be 0. These are called the perfect squares. Listen, 10 end with 0, is it? What is the property number 2? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at the ones place. So ones place in the numbers la vanduchina adu enava irukkalam sollirukanga, may or may not be a perfect square nu sollirukanga. Okay ma, so inge 2 zeros irukku apdi thane. அப்போ இது என்னது 10 ஓட ஸ்கொயர். 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121 and 12 square is 144. So these are all called the perfect square. Next one is not a perfect square. Why? The property 2, the end with 0, 1, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6. Here 0, end with 0. But it's not a perfect square. It's not a perfect square. Here 221. So end with ones place is 1. But it's also not a perfect square. 2, 2, 4. So it is also not a perfect square. Okay. And then third property, a number ending with an odd number of zeros, odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros means 1 0 irukkalam, 3 0 irukkalam, illana 5 zeros or 7 zeros. This is called the odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. கண்டிப்பா என்னவா இருக்காது, odd number of zeros இருந்துச்சுன்னா கண்டிப்பா அது எதுவா இருக்காதுமா, perfect square இருக்காது. Perfect square இருக்குன்னா should present in the zeros in even, okay. So for example 14, odd number of zeros, so it is not a perfect square. Here 3 zeros are there, it's also not a perfect square. Okay, so first property, the perfect square means not a perfect square means which are the numbers present in the ones place 2, 3, 7 and 8. Okay, and second one of the property 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 in the ones place may or may not be a perfect square. Okay, and then third property, a number ending with an odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros in a number, it's not a perfect square. It's not a never a perfect square. கண்டிப்பா அது எதுவா இருக்காதுமா, perfect square இருக்காது. Okay, and now see the D1. D property, the square of an odd number is always odd number. Square of an odd number is always odd. See, 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Now square 3 square, what we get? 9. 3 square means multiplicated itself. 3 into 3, 9. 9 is also an odd number. 9 is also an odd number. Okay, and next one, the square of even number is always even number. Always even. Okay, so square of an even number is always even. The square of an odd number is also an odd number. So for example 2 squared is equal to 4. So say another one of the example, even number 4 squared. 4 square, 4 4s are, is it? 4 multiplicated itself twice a time, so 4 4s are 16. 16 is also an even number. Okay, and F property, the factor of every square numbers can be grouped. Factors means multiplication factors. Okay, multiplication factor of every square numbers, over square உடைய numbers. So இங்கே 2 square 2 into 2, it's one of the factors, is it? So factor of every square number can be grouped in pairs of equal numbers. Pairs of equal numbers. See 81. Okay, 81, how do you write in these squares? 3 multiplicated by 3, again multiplicated by 3, 3. Okay, so 4 times of 3 multiplicated, we get the value of 81. Okay, so grouping, because why do you group? Here we want to write in the square values. So 3 into 3, 3 square, into 3 into 3, 3 square. So 3 square into 3 square, 3 square means 9. So 9 nines are 81. The factor of every square number can be grouped in pairs of equal numbers. Pair, 3 into 3, the same number. Pair, pair means அதே மாதிரி உள்ள pairனா ரெண்டு number. 3 into 3, 3 into 3, that is given. In pair of equal numbers. Pair of equal numbers. And next one, G, it has 6 properties. Okay, G is one of the property. It has 6 types of properties are there. The first one, the square of a number ending with 2 or 9. ஒரு நம்பர் நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிட்டோம், ஓகேவா? அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் இப்போ வந்து இதில் வந்து 11 இருக்கு, ஓகேவா? எண்டிங் வித் 2 or the square of a number ending with 1 or 9 ends with 1. So 1 square, what is the value of 1 square? 1. Ending with 1, okay. And then 9 square, what is the value of 9 square? 81. The ones place also 1, okay. See, so 9 square, 9 square multiply 9 nines are, is it? So 9 nines are 81, ending with 1, that is given. The square of a number ending with 1 or 9, 1 இருந்தாலும் சரி 9 இருந்தாலும் சரி, அந்த நம்பர் ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி வர்ற வேல்யூ வந்து ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸில் எப்படி தான் இருக்கும்? 1 தான் இருக்கும், ஓகேவா? தட் இஸ் given. End with 1. The squaring number is 1 or 9, we get the end value with 1. And second one, the square of a number ending with 2 or 8. So 2 square 4. So end with 4. End with 4. Okay. And then 8 square. 8 square value. What is the value of 8 square? 64. So it's also end with 4. Okay. The square of the number ending with 3 or 7 ends with 9. So 3 square 9. 7 square 49. 7 square 3 square 9, 7 square 49, okay. So any square of a number ending with 3 or 7 end with 9, end with 9, okay. And then the square of a number ending with 4 or 6, 4 or 6. For example, ஒரு நம்பர் 4 ஸ்கொயர், ஸோ எதில் முடியுமா? 6ல் தான் முடியும், சரியா? 4ங்கிற நம்பர். அதே மாதிரி 6ங்கிற நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கோ. 6 ஸ்கொயர், 6 ஸ்கொயர் ஸ்கொயர் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 36. தட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ end with 6, end with 6. The square of a number ending with 5 ends with 5. 5 square 25, okay. 25 square also end with 5. 25 square, what is the value of 25 square? 625. That's also end with 5, okay. Another one of the example for this property. And then the square of the number ending with 0, then end with an even number of zeros. So 10 square, what we get? 100. It has 2 zeros. 2 zeros means even number of zeros, even number of zeros, okay. The square of a number ending with odd number of 0, then in square it we get the even number of zeros. For example, 10 square is equal to 100, okay. These are all we have apply in the problems, very important in the G property. So once again I have recaptured the G property. The square of a number ending with 1 or 9 ends with 1, and then the square of a number ending with 2 or 8 end with 4, and then the square of a number ending with 3 or 7 end with 9, and the square of a number end with 4 or 6, and we get the end with 6, and then the square of a number ending with 5 end with 5, and then the square of a number ending with 0, then we get ending with an even number of 0, ending with an even number of 0. I hope you are understand the properties of D up to which one? G. So these are very very important. We have applied in the all the problems. Okay. So even number squares of an odd number also an odd number, and then squares of an even number is also an even number. Okay. I hope you all understand the properties of squares. See the remaining properties now. H1 property: the square of any natural number n equals the sum of the first n odd numbers. Sum of first n odd numbers. So odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all the natural numbers of odd numbers. Okay. So in this place, the square of any natural numbers. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. These are all the natural numbers. Okay. The squares of the natural numbers: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Okay. And n equals the sum of first n odd numbers. Sum of means addition of. Addition of first n odd numbers. So odd number, first one is 1 and second odd number 1 plus 3. That's meaning the sum of the first two odd numbers. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So it can written in the power of 2 is 2 square. Okay. And then 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9 is equal to 9, sorry, 3 square. Okay. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. These are the first 4 odd numbers. Add these values: 4, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. Okay. It can written in the square form 4 square. Okay. We get the next square of natural numbers. Next square of natural number. And next one of that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. So what we get? Here up to this one is 16. 16 plus 8, 24. Sorry, it's 8 is not a odd number. Okay, 9. Okay, we add only sum of the first n odd numbers only. Okay, 8 is a even number. So we will put the 9. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So 16 plus 9, 25. It can written in the form of 5 square. 5 square. Okay. Now see the next one of the property. A number with n digit has either 2n minus 1 or 2n. 2n minus 1 means odd number, or 2n means even number of digits in its square. In its square. For example, one digit number has either 1 or 2. Single digit 3. 3 square பண்ணனா 1 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதே இதுதான், இதுவும் சிங்கிள் டிஜிட் நம்பர் தான். இதை ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு எத்தனை டிஜிட் கிடைச்சிருக்கு? 2. எத்தனை டிஜிட் கிடைச்சிருக்கு? 2 டிஜிட்ஸ் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி 2 digit number has either 3 or 4 digits in its square. Square பண்ணுறோம். For example, 10 square. We get the 3 digit number. What we get? 100. Okay. Here 12 square. 12 square means we get the 3 digit number. Here 50 square. We get a 4 digit number. 2500. We get a 4 digit numbers. Okay. Next one of the property. The square of any odd number can be expressed as a sum of 2 consecutive terms. 2 consecutive. Consecutive means அடுத்தடுத்து உள்ளதுக்கு தான் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? கான்சிக்யூட்டிவ்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவாம்மா? ஸோ த ஸ்கொயர் ஆஃப் எனி ஆட் நம்பர் உடைய ஸ்கொயர்ஸ். ஸோ 1 ஸ்கொயர், 3 ஸ்கொயர், 5 ஸ்கொயர், 7 ஸ்கொயர், 9 ஸ்கொயர். ஆட் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்கொயரிங்ஸ். ஓகேவா? த சம் ஆஃப் எனி ஆட் number can be expressed as the sum of 2 consecutive positive numbers. 2 consecutive positive numbers. So 3 square is the odd number of squaring. Okay. So 3 square value is 9. It can written how do you write? The sum of two consecutive terms. அடுத்தடுத்து ரெண்டு term ஆட் பண்ணும்போது அடுத்தடுத்து consecutive numbers ஆட் பண்ணும்போது we get the square of the value அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? So 3 square is equal to 9 is equal to 4 plus 5. 4 and 5 are consecutive terms. 4 after 5. Okay, and then see 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, so 5 multiplicated itself is 5. So 5 5s are 25 is equal to 12 plus 13. 12 and 13 are the consecutive numbers. Okay, and then 7 square 49. 7 square meaning 7 multiplicated by 7. 7 7s are 49 is equal to the next, write in the sum of two consecutive positive numbers. So 24 plus 25. 24 plus 25 add we get the 49. Okay. Now see the next one. A perfect square leaves a remainder 0 or 1 when we divide by 3. Okay. For example, 10 is a perfect square and கேட்டிருக்காங்க வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா, it's divided by 3. So we get the remainder 3 divided by 3. Remainder leaves the remainder 0 or 1. We get a perfect square is given. ஓகேவா, so 3 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் என்ன வருமா? 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. So leave the remainder நம்ம விட்டுட்டோன்னா ரிமைண்ட் வெளியில் அனுப்பிட்டு மீதி உள்ளது என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம்? பெர்ஃபெக்ட் ஸ்கொயர். 9 is a perfect square. Okay, and next one, the square of a natural numbers greater than 1 ஒன்றை விட பெருசாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா greater than a natural number greater than 1 can be written as multiple of 3 or multiple of 3 plus 1. Multiple of 3. For example, 3 square is equal to 9. It can write 3 3s ஆன்னு எழுதலாம். ஓகேவா, ஸோ மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 3. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா எப்படி எழுதலாம்? ஆர் ப்ளஸ் 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 4 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so that is given. Multiple of 3 or multiple of 3 plus 1. Multiple of 3 plus 1. Okay, and multiple of 4 or a multiple of 4 plus 1. Multiple of 4 means 4 squared 16. Okay, 4 4s are the same method we have applied in this place. Okay, so I hope you all understood the today concept properties of square numbers. Okay, remaining two properties are pending. We will see the next class. Thank you, students.